Restore oak cabinets. A home is never a home without cabinets. But then again, cabinets degrade in their appeal because of age, most of the time. Its coating begins to degrade and its finish ends up losing its quality, most especially when it comes to oak cabinets. Many homeowners tend to for professional help to fix the problem. However, replacing the cabinets is not a great option, as this might be expensive. It is best if you can just restore oak cabinets rather than buying expensive materials to remodel them. Begin by preparing your things. There are a number of things you need to prepare for the restoration of oak cabinets. Consider the following: ammonia, abrasive pad, brush, bucket, clean cloth, linseed oil, paint brush, stain, solvent, top coat, and water. Make sure that you have all of these prepared already for you to work efficiently. Remove the door hardware. When it comes to door hardware, they work better if they are new. Pulls, hinges, and other door hardware must be removed and replaced with new ones. If you do not like the idea of buying replacement items, you can simply recondition the door hardware for them to look better. However, if they are already old and damaged, replacing them is really the best option. Clean the surface of the oak cabinet. In a bucket, prepare a mixture of 1 part ammonia and 4 parts water. Use this mixture on cleaning the surface of the oak cabinet. Dab a clean cloth into the mixture and scrub the surface with it. You can also use an abrasive pad when scrubbing. Additionally, use a brush to remove the pores of the wood. Oak tends to trap dirt and dust in its open pores, so use a brush that has medium bristles on cleaning these pores. Overhaul the oak wood. Boil the linseed oil and apply it to the areas of the oak cabinets that are plainly made of wood. These include the doors of the cabinet and the face frame. Use a lint-free cloth on cleaning up any excess oil. Remember that the oil must not be applied to plywood to prevent the plywood from being peeled off. Let it sit for a moment. Apply stain on missing areas. Locate the areas where there is missing stain. Apply stain to those particular areas or apply stain to the entirety of the cabinet. Wipe the surface thoroughly afterward. Bear in mind that staining the entire cabinet will let the stain get into the areas where there are no top coats. It will result to darker stain and impress spots on the wood. Remove the top coat. Test various solvents on the base of the door. If the finish is lacquer, use lacquer thinner to get rid of the top coat, and so on. Brush the surface with the right solvent. Coat the top surface again since the solvent made the finish less thick. Finish the oak cabinets and you are done restoring the oak cabinet. Let the surface dry and use the cabinet as usual.